Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the gesture mapper feature of the Mudra Link and what you can do with it. So first of all, we'll go into our connected device and into the gesture mapper feature. Here you can see that we have both modes, the mouse mode and the keyboard mode, and you can map for each gesture in each mode. So in the mouse mode, we have the pinch, which acts as a left click of a mouse. We could also change it to be a right click if we want to, but I want to leave it as a mouse click, or the left click right now. Okay, we have the reversed pinch and slide gesture, which acts as the scroll. So if you want, you can disable this or you can add it back. And we have the twist and the double twist, which we also have in keyboard mode. You can take a look at our recommendations tab, which is basically the recommendations that we think work well for the twist or double twist. For example, doing command and left arrow will take you back in the browser each time you do the gesture, which is cool. Okay, so moving on to keyboard mode. As you can see, we have all of our keyboard mode gestures right here. So for here, you can basically map it as any keyboard key or combination, or you can also map it as media keys, which is what we're going to do today. I'm going to map it to use on Spotify just to show you. So pinch and left, I want to map to previous track. So here you can see that we have all the media keys on the top of the keyboard. So this is the previous track. I'm going to go ahead and select that and save. Now, this is an important step. The first time that you use the media controls, that you want to use them, you have to forget the device from your Bluetooth and then reconnect. So basically just refresh the connection. You just got to do this once and then all the media keys should work properly. So I already did this before filming, so I'm just going to select don't show it to me again. I've already refreshed my connection. And now you can see that it's saved. So pinch right, I want to go to my next track. So we got that. Now pinch up and down, I actually want to control the volume of my device. So we're gonna go and pinch down should be volume down. And pinch up should be volume up. Okay, cool. Now the double tap I want to use as play pause for my current track. So let's do that. Cool. And I'm going to map mute for the twist in case I want to mute it quickly. I have a gesture to do that. And double twist I don't need right now, so I'm just going to leave it non-defined. You can define it however you like. All right, so we got it all mapped now. I'm going to go ahead and show it to you on Spotify on my computer. But these media controls work on many devices. You can use it on your TVs, on your phones, listening to music or watching episodes, etc. And so yeah, basically you can just connect it to whichever device you want. Okay, so I got my Spotify open now, and I'm going to turn on my Mudra Link on keyboard mode. All right, so we got the track going, and we'll skip to the next one. Nice, got the next track. And we want to control the volume that we mapped. Or we can make it go up, down. And if we want, we can also mute or unmute it. Got so close, but then you lost it. Should have listened to. I'll pause it so I could talk. So now that you saw how the gesture mapper works, you can go ahead and try out things for yourselves, map it, and connect it to whatever devices you want. And stay tuned because we're going to be rolling out even more features and updates.